ExxonMobil is introducing an exciting packaging solution designed with two goals in mind: improving product sustainability and increased convenience for our business partners. That solution is Mobil Boxx. Completely rethinking our previous packaging, the Mobil Boxx has been adopted following a re-evaluation of customer needs, based on feedback from our extensive distributor network. With a capacity of 20 litres, the new approach sees Mobil lubricants stored in a durable bag, supported by a carton box and poured via an easy-to-use tap. By tearing and folding across the perforated edges, you can access the tap, which provides improved control over the flow of liquid, reducing spillages. The carton is made from a sturdy corrugated cardboard that both protects the bag and allows easy storage in this specially designed rack. The Mobil Boxx, along with the rack, ensures the product can be stored more quickly, efficiently, and with greater ease than the 20-litre pails. And there are safety benefits too. Handling the liquid is safer as there is no need to use pumps. What's more, the reduction in workshop spillages means the likelihood of slips and trips is also minimised. It is significantly easier to dispose of than traditional plastic containers. The carton and bag design, both assembled and when flat packed, is also more efficient when it comes to storage and transport, requiring fewer trucks and less space, while simplifying the supply chain. This also represents a practical benefit for smaller workshops, as it helps them to carry more product in a smaller amount of space. Speak to your local ExxonMobil representative today to find out more about Mobil